Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. I hope that everyone could be fine. So today we will share the function of Vlookup, and this is my first video. I hope that it could be the incredible for all of you. That today I gonna share you that Vlookup, how to use the Vlookup functions in the Microsoft Excel sheet. So today I had made a lot of data, but there is on merely short data for the Vlookup functions. You can make the largest data for the Vlookup functions, but I have curated the short data, so I will share it today in this video. Do not skip this video, watch till the end, or if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Kalmati Technical for the more related videos. So let's get started. The use of formula, we will create here the list of all the names which we created in the data. So first of all we should enter press here, then go to the data function and type, and then after click the data type, then we will enter the data validations, and there is some functions will pop up here. So in the first of all we have to go in this setting which I am going, you should have to go there. So there is any value, so we will connect to the list or find the list. So I selected the list functions and press the source, and here is the all name list, so I will select these. So I had selected it, and after I will press OK. Then here is created the data of the list has been completed. Then I will here in the next one column I will use the formula of VLOOKUP functions. So, and first of all we will press here the is equals to. I have pressed, I think it's not working. It's worked, and now VLOOKUP. Then press the bracket open, and then we will use here the lookup value. What could be the lookup value? So that is the April, and then we will press here the comma. After comma we will select here the table array. So here is a table array, we will select this, and after select we will press here the comma, and after this comma we will add this number which we are looking for. So I am looking for the second number, that could be the second number of the salary. So I will press here, then comma, and then 0, and after 0 I will press here the bracket close. Then here is the calculate of the salary of April is 80,000. So I selected and I completed my formula here. So if I want to means want to be September salary, I want to be fine, so I will press the September, and here is 1,30,000 has been selected. So it means that it has calculate of the formula of function of the financial formulas. In this it could be might help us in the financial formulas, and here I had done the formula. So I hope that you learned it very well, and if you like this video, so you should have to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more related videos. Allah Hafiz.